so in today's video, we'll look at how can AI, especially ChatGPT like tools, really help with usability, user experience on the website. They said that AI is going to change everything we know, and actually it really is changing that. Literally everything we know today, which was a part of the skill of experts, is now changing. And one of the big changes coming is how can you improve the website's usability, that's user experience and user interaction with the use of AI. So let's get into it and see how can we change that very quickly or improve suggestions through ChatGPT like tools. So I'm gonna now start with the ChatGPT tool, and there are two ways of doing this. One is taking a screenshot of the website. Say there is a mock-up which you have already on the site, and you want to think about how can you improve it. That's one way. Number two is to look at a live site and see how can we improve to enhance the usability, user experience, user interface. So this is the site humanify.ai. The site looks pretty good, very neat. What we need to do now is to see how can we further improve it once we've got this site ready. So what we do is we go copy the link itself for ChatGPT. Now we turn on the browse with Bing. This option is available if you sign up to the $20 plan with ChatGPT. So you click on that. Now you can enter in this a prompt which says, how can I improve the user experience and user interaction of this website? Please provide specific improvement opportunities. This is really important because otherwise it will just give generic information about how you can improve the website. So we'll just enter the prompt here and we'll let it go to work. Now all it'll do is, first thing it'll do is it'll go to the actual website, start browsing it, and collect a plethora of information around usability, time speeds, user interactions. So it's looked at, for example, the header containers pricing tab. It says that has we can improve in that, and just completely removing it. For example, homepage content. It tells us to look at bits there to get a better call to action. For example, visual hierarchy, buzzing section, which is at the bottom, FAQ section, testimonial reviews, footer section, mobile responsive nature, just make sure this is mobile responsive. Actually, some of these things will not apply exactly, but it just gives you sufficient points to see like a checklist, as it were, for the site. So that's one option which you have. The next option which you can use is to upload a actual screenshot of the entire site. Now, how do you do that? Well, the one option you have is to download a tool called Go Full Page, which is a Chrome extension which you can apply onto your Chrome browser. So what you do is you download the actual screenshot, which, as you can see, I've done here, and then upload that into the ChatGPT tool. So I've gone ahead and started a new chat. I'm going to choose the default option. Now I'm going to upload that particular screenshot using the upload function on the ChatGPT, which is this one, attach images. There you go. I've started the upload of the actual document onto ChatGPT, clicking on add file. So now it's going to do that. Meanwhile, I'll just enter the prompt. Prompt entering is a similar, help improve on the user experience and user interface of the website. Add it as a screenshot. Please be specific about what should be changed. So now it will analyze the image itself, the full image we just captured early on using the Chrome extension, and it will then give us recommendations on how to make it better. So this just let us do that recommendations as it tells us, and then we can see what can we do to make it better. So again, there are some similarities between the suggestions you receive from the screenshot we upload as well as directly browsing the website. So all these points are very helpful. Now what I would say is combine them together to find a list of ideas which you can improve on. That kind of helps you and makes it really succinct. So it'll go ahead and kind of enter all the different areas. I'll pause the video now, and then once it's finished I'll restart and then highlight what things you've changed. So now the process is finished. It's gone through and highlighted some of the areas. I must say there's some areas which I don't agree with, but there are many which I do, and that helps really to kind of look at the complete review of that particular screenshot we uploaded. And as I mentioned, it makes a lot of sense to combine both the screenshot version as well as the live version to get a holistic approach to all the areas we can improve on. I believe that's a very intuitive as well as a good wholesome way to look through the entire area of UX and UI improvement opportunities. So just to summarize, there are two ways to look at improvements on the UX and UI. One is go directly to the actual website using the new Bing feature, Bing search feature within ChatGPT. The other one is to upload a image, which again is part of the new feature of ChatGPT. We can upload images. Both of them provide a plethora of opportunities to improve your site, and it helps to give them to your designer to further improve and make your website more consistent, more usable, and all that leads to a better search engine ranking, SEO friendly website. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel. The more love you can send us, the more you can leave us some comments, the more it allows us to think about new topics to help you achieve success through AI. Thank you very much.